Hello and welcome to the second application walkthrough. Again, I want to post these videos to kind of help you figure out how to do these application problems because they are part of the graded aspects in this class. So I do want to give you a better shot at understanding what you're doing. For the first two, they're just solving equations. I'm not going to talk about those. I'll leave those to you. Other than that, I can kind of help us out on some of these other ones as well. So for number 3 here, it says a rectangle has an area of 32 meters squared. Find the length of the rectangle if the width is equal to 12 meters. So one thing that I can look at, maybe try drawing a picture, and as good of a rectangle as you can. You know that you have 32 meters squared as the area. So you want to find the length if the width is 12. Well, kind of given some different types of measurements here, if I know that the area of a rectangle, I said before it was base times height, that can be translated into length times width. Okay, now we just put the numbers that we have in where we have values. The area is 32. We don't know the length, that's what we're looking for. And the width is 12. Okay, and you'll just want to solve for the length and see what you get. Decimals are okay. The next one, veterinary medicine. A veterinary assistant holds a dog and steps on a scale. This is done a lot of times when the dog will not willingly sit on the scale long enough for you to get a weight measurement. The scale reads 193.7, so that's with the let's say that's with the dog and veterinary assistant, just to kind of give ourselves some notes here. 193.7. Okay. Alone, the assistant weighs 135. So in this case, the weight of the dog plus 135 is going to be 193.7. And you'll just want to solve that equation to figure out what the dog's weight would be. Okay. The next one, number 5. Suppose the length of a rectangle is 2x plus 1, and the width is 3x minus 2. Find the value of x if the perimeter is equal to 38 inches. So let's think again. It says hint, draw a picture. Not that you necessarily have to, and it's not like the picture is helping you too much by any means, but I do have length and width. Let's say the width is here, 3x minus 2, and 2x plus 1. And then I know, since it's a rectangle, I know that the opposite sides are equal. So over here I'd get another 3x minus 2. And here I would get a 2x minus 1. And this may not be to scale. Sorry, 2x plus 1. This may not be to scale by any means. And what I mean by that is, maybe the longer side is actually the width, and I have it drawn as the shorter side. That doesn't matter. Okay, that's the beauty of this, is that part doesn't matter. But what I get here is perimeter means add up all the sides. So if I take 3x minus 2 plus 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 2 plus 2x plus 1, that would give me a perimeter of 38 inches. And all I would have to do is combine my terms on this side. I should just have something x plus or minus some number, and then on the right side I have 38, and I should be able to solve that equation. Number 6, 331 students went on a field trip, 6 buses were filled, and 7 students traveled in cars. Maybe they went with their parents or whatever. But how many students were in each bus? Write an equation and solve it. So I know that 331 is kind of our goal that we want to hit. Wow, okay, 331. That's our overall number that we want to hit. And I know 7 students traveled by themselves. The rest were in 6 buses. So I think now we have enough information that we can figure out how many fit in each bus, where B is the number that fit in each bus. Solve that equation and you should be off to the races. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in class.